Alright fellas, here you go. Charger, I've just turned it on at the wall. Comes up with the last used setting. 3.5 amp charge for a 2-cell on a standard charge. Now I've got this hooked up for a balance lead. I've got an extension cable, nothing big deal, you can buy them cheap. Just plugs into the side. So yeah, you plug in the main lead, plug in the balance lead, and we want to do a balance cycle for this battery, not what I last charged. So push stop again, and keep pushing stop until you get to user settings. There you are, push enter. We're charging a LiPo at 3.7. I don't worry about the check time. NIM sensitivity, I don't do NIM or NICAD. I don't have a temperature sensor. I don't need to worry about the waste time. Safety timer, you can use that if you like. I don't, because sometimes batteries take longer than, well, however long you set on here. For instance, if I did set it, I could set it to whatever I like. Yeah, okay, total of 720 minutes. I just don't worry about it. I just leave it turned off. What I do use is the capacity cutoff. The last battery was only a 5,000 milliamp. This one's 5,300. So we'll increase it to 5,300. Oop. My charger's a bit old, doesn't like the buttons being pressed that hard. Done, 5,300. Push across. Yeah, key beep. The beep is annoying, but here you go. Every time you push a button it makes that annoying noise. I keep the buzzer on, but I turn the beep off. I don't like that noise. Input voltage, well, I got it hooked up to mains lead, so sorry, a laptop charger. Don't need to worry about that. LiPo, you can select that and change it. Oop. Yeah, so lithium ion, lithium phosphate, or LiPo. We're using the LiPo setting. Once you go through all that cycle, so you see it just keeps going round and round and round, just push back to get to this cycle. Alright, either one, sometimes it only goes one way. Load setting, that is for a program you have saved. You can go to save setting and you can save a certain type of battery's details and load those details at a later date to save having to fuss with it. If you like, I can show you that, but I won't do it in this video. So we just keep going to the type of battery we want. LiPo, we start. I got it hooked up through the balance lead, so we're not even going to do a charge, we'll do a balance charge. So push across. Balance charge. Now, the amps aren't right, so we're going to change that. You just push enter, starts flashing, increase it to what you can. This charger's default max is 5 amp. This sort of battery, ideally you'd want to charge it 5.3 amp. This charger can't do it, so therefore it's going to take more than an hour to charge. That's fine. The charger knows when this battery will be full and will shut off at that milliamp. Push OK because we want 5. So the amount of cells lights up. Now you can increase that to however many cells you've got. Well, 6 on this charger, but we've only got a 2-cell. Push OK. If this was a 500 milliamp battery, you'd have this set at 0.5. So therefore, there you are. That would be for a 500 milliamp battery. We've got a 5,300, so we go as high as we can. Done. And to stop it from flashing, you push confirm, confirm. It's ready to go. Press and hold the start button. Connection break. Oh, okay. So there's a wire loose somewhere. May not be. It might just be my charger. I'll just check all these connections. Could be this plug, I think. It might actually be the plug on the battery. Giving me trouble the other day. Ah, there we go. So it's registering as a 2-cell. I've selected it to be a 2-cell, so therefore it realizes it's got the right battery. Press start again and it'll start charging. This battery's not dead, so therefore it's just capping it off. It's only capping at 0.7 amps at the moment at 8.4 volts. Total charge time, balanced charge time is 19 seconds. It's so far put 3 milliamp in, 4 milliamp. Now the other beauty of doing a balanced charge, not only does it keep your cells happy, but you can check what the voltage of each cell is by pushing one of the middle buttons. 4.1, 4.1, yeah, it's pretty damn close. Push again, it'll take you back to where you were. Push back, it'll go through your previously selected settings. Now this is while it's charging. And you push the other middle button and it'll take you back. And that's how you charge. I hope this is good enough for you fellas, otherwise just let me know and I'll take a different video, but so far there you go. If I wanted to I could just push stop, finish charging, disconnect this balance lead, or I could leave it connected, it doesn't really matter. It's being a pain in the bum, won't disconnect. Yeah, there we are. So let's go to set this up for a standard charge, not a balanced charge. So we go back to charge, select the milliamps, select the voltage, which is correct, and then just hold it down. Again, it does a check, registering 2-cell, 2-cell. If one cell's dead, it'll only register as a 1-cell, but you can bring them back to life. And again, this battery's almost full, so it's only getting a little trickle charge to cap it off. But there you are. Push stop. So there's only so many settings. It goes round and round and round and round and round circles until you go into a setting. It's pretty simple though.